Welcome. In today's video, we'll walk you through a quick and easy tutorial on how to change the color of your deleted items folder in Outlook on your PC. This feature is part of a new update that allows you to personalize your Outlook experience even further. Let's get started. First, open Outlook from your browser. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Once you're in, look at the top left corner of the page. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. This is often referred to as the menu icon. Click on it to expand the navigation pane. Next, locate the deleted items folder in the list of folders on the left-hand side. Once you find it, move your cursor over to the right side of the folder name. You'll notice 3 small dots appear next to it. These dots represent additional options for that folder. Click on them. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option labeled Change Color. A palette of colors will pop up, giving you a variety of hues to choose from. Simply click on your preferred color and voila! Your deleted items folder will now be updated with the new color. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've customized your Outlook interface to make it more visually appealing and organized. This small tweak can make navigating through your folders much easier and add a touch of personalization to your workspace. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials on optimizing your digital tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.